What's going on, guys? Welcome back to KILLZONE Outdoors. And it's been a while since my last post, but it doesn't mean that I haven't been out fishing. So ice got out probably like late April, early May, and then we had open water, and I've been out fishing quite a few times, but the fishing hasn't been the best. The fish are still very lethargic, despite that the water temps have dramatically increased because we've had some really high temperatures. But I think that kind of messed them up, so they're still lethargic. We haven't had very many days with that good of luck for fishing. I did catch a 3.7 pound bass last week, and that'll be in this video later. But here are a couple different clips from earlier in this season, so I hope you guys enjoy. I got one. Probably another pike, huh? What is it? I can't tell. Definitely a pike. A little fight on her. Holy fuck! It's a little bit better one, eh? God. Wow. You should just grab it like a man. There you go. Got it. See, that's the kind of pike I don't mind catching. Fighting it. Sunfish. Sunfish on center round 2. Oh, look at this. Holy sh! That thing was right there. That's gotta be his bat or something. Ooh, I'm getting wrecked. broke me off.
There's a little guy too.
Broke me off.
Did you see him jump? He's probably like this long.
I know. Wow. 40-pound braid?
Question mark? Probably not.
Can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
368. Oh, 370. Well, hopefully you guys like the video from today, and hopefully as the summer progresses, the fishing will get better and we can get more of a consistent video upload for you guys. But hey, if you liked what you saw, click down here to subscribe or click over here to watch the last video. Thanks for watching, guys.